How's it going, guys? It's officially owned. So today we're going to play some Werewolf Tycoon. Apparently it's a PC game, but now it's on Android. I think I played once or twice already. I don't know. But the goal is to eat people and survive nights. Uh, of course, you have to tap on the people, then he will automatically eat them. Yes, but they do run away. Then you have to go back. Yeah, I, I'm moving by tapping. Please wanna stay away too bad, they won't listen. Night 2. Can't believe you didn't notice me. Ow! Like their voice. Ha ha ha. Daddy's coming. Like, I really like their voice when they're getting eaten. Ow! Ow! They're like, no! No! Night 4. I think I'm going to do this till night 10, then I will finish the game, I think. Yeah. So I can play and enjoy it. Like he just automatically swallows them whole. So apparently he ate their shirt and pants. Yeah, makes sense. You just need to eat people. There's no hunger limit. You always need to get back before morning comes. Still no witnesses. I'm back. Oh, is that a UFO? There's no more. That was fast. Wait, by the way, did you see those guys? We're holding like a camera. You have to kill those guys first because apparently they will take a photo. Then I really don't want to spoil you. Okay, there, that's the photo. No. Apparently he took my photo and see what will happen. Yup, they will kill you. Well, the best is 72. Yeah. Now, why don't you try and play the game? It's Werewolf Tycoon. It's free on the Google Play. Now leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.